Ew.
Far above the Italian island of Sicily rises one of the most active volcanoes on Earth, Mount Etna. For thousands of years, Etna has shaped the landscape, influenced civilizations, and reminded humanity of the immense power hidden beneath our feet. Standing more than 3,000 meters above sea level, this giant volcano continuously transforms itself through eruptions, lava flows, ash clouds, and explosive activity. The footage you are watching was captured during a visit to Etna. However, like many older recordings, it was filmed at a relatively low resolution and with a limited frame rate. While the original video preserves the experience, much of the visual detail and smoothness is lost compared to modern cameras. Today, artificial intelligence offers a fascinating way to restore and enhance such footage. Using DaVinci Resolve and its AI-powered tools, we can significantly improve the quality of historical or low-resolution video. One of the most powerful technologies is AI Superscale. This feature analyzes every frame and intelligently reconstructs missing detail, increasing resolution while preserving natural textures and sharpness. Instead of simply enlarging the image, AI attempts to predict what finer details should look like. Another remarkable technology is retime and scaling. This AI system creates entirely new intermediate frames between existing ones. When footage was originally recorded with a low frame rate, motion can appear choppy or jerky. By generating additional frames, artificial intelligence can create much smoother movement and a more cinematic viewing experience. This process is especially interesting when applied to natural phenomena such as volcanic eruptions, slow-moving lava flows, drifting volcanic ash, rising smoke plumes, and dramatic mountain landscapes all benefit from enhanced detail and smoother motion. Features that were barely visible in the original recording can suddenly become much clearer and easier to appreciate. Of course, AI enhancement is not magic. It cannot recover information that never existed. Instead, it uses advanced machine learning models trained on vast amounts of visual data to make highly educated predictions. The result is often impressive, but it remains a reconstruction rather than a perfect restoration of reality. Mount Etna itself provides the perfect subject for this technological experiment. Here we see one of nature's most powerful geological systems through the lens of modern artificial intelligence. Ancient volcanic forces meet cutting-edge digital technology, allowing us to revisit and experience familiar footage in a completely new way. As AI video enhancement continues to evolve, old recordings from cameras, drones, smartphones, and even archival collections may gain a second life. Moments that once seemed limited by technology can now be viewed with greater clarity, detail, and realism than ever before. In this video, we explore not only the beauty and power of Mount Etna, but also the remarkable potential of artificial intelligence to transform how we preserve, restore, and experience visual memories.